If your camera won't turn on, freezes, or applications can't find it, don't worry, because this is almost always a quick setting fixed. Not a broken camera. Let's get it to work right now. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the most common reasons your camera stops working. So first, you wanted to check for a physical privacy shorter or switched. A lot of laptops have a small sliding cover over the lens or a function key sliding on the axial lens. So let's just make sure that this port is enabled. If you have like a laptop like this, sometimes, for example, we usually have, for example, this element that has an actual slide covering over the axial lens, usually somewhere into F1 through F12. So press Fn plus the key to maintain it's not accidentally switched it up, because sometimes it happens digitally. So next, we want to now focus into my axial settings. Inside my settings, I wanted to go for the element that says privacy and security. Then here, I wanted to look out for the element that says camera. Make sure the camera access is turned on. So I wanted to make sure this one is enabled. There we go. Now scroll down and make sure that the application you wanted to access your camera is on too. If I wanted, for example, to look for Xbox, I needed to enable this in order to continue. So make sure it is enabled before we can actually continue. Now, Windows only allow one application to use your camera at a time. So if another program is quietly using it in the background, even a browser tab you forgot about, your current app won't be able to grab this. So close any other media applications to tab and then try it again. We can focus directly into these hidden icons to make sure that we don't have another running application in the background. Then, if you have more than one camera, like a built-in, loose, and external webcam, the application might be pointing at the wrong device. So you wanted to open the application's own settings and manually select the correct camera drop-down. So, in my case, for example, we have here this OBS as an actual trial. If I select the element that says Add, I'm going to add my actual video capture device. So inside here, I can add my own device camera. In this case, you have this covered, but if I move this just a little bit like this, you can see that my actual camera is actually working. So I'm going to close this one again and go for the element that says OK. So that means that my actual device is correctly connected. Now, if it still doesn't happen, let's try something else. Let's open the device manager. When you go directly into your Windows Start button, let's go for right click and go for Device Manager. So inside here, you want to look out for the elements of the cameras and imagining device. And inside here, you should see your actual integrated camera or the USB you're trying to look out for. Inside here, you want to look out for the element that says update to the actual driver and search automatically for some drivers. If his has been already been done, what I want to do now is to go for uninstall the device and reinstall or restart my actual Windows, so automatically it will be finding the actual driver itself. This should get the camera back into the running. And if one of these steps fix it up for you, you wanted to drop a comment and let me know into the which one, and subscribe for more fix it quicks like this every week. And I must tell you that if you are using an actual USB cable, sometimes they need their own driver in order to be running out, or even their own application. So make sure that you have installed and follow the instructions of the USB camera that you wanted to try into your Windows. Thanks for watching. See you next time.